Good day. My name is Ike Ekwueme. I'm a student at American International College and I'm in my senior year. I work in the writing center. I'm a student athlete here, playing on the men's soccer team, and I'm also the president of the Internships team. Interestingly, what really influenced my choices this year, my senior year, is flexibility and relevance. I wanted to work somewhere that will help me grow as a person and it will help me acquire skills while on the job. This was what truly helped me to continue working in the writing center, working with people, working with different kind of people, some people of different language, so I have to know how to adjust my approach to suit them. Also, I'm a student athlete here on the men's soccer team. I'm engaged in soccer 6 days a week, at least 6 days a week in practice and in games. And it's really exciting. I truly value the experiences and how soccer has molded me as a person. Also, I'm currently on an internship on the Internships team. The Internships team is a group of students who have gotten together to create community empowerment projects to add value to the community. I'm currently the president. I was a worker last year. However, this year I was elected as the president, and truly it's a great privilege. And I saw that most of the concepts that I'm learning in my business management classes and my psychology classes, I can apply these directly onto the internship. I've took part in recruitment and selection. I took part in marketing. I've taken part in handling conflicts in an organization, handling conflicts in the Internships team. It's been a truly great experience that has helped me. It's helped me grow truly as a person. Someone told me, "Isn't this too much? You're doing this. Isn't this too many things at once?" Truly, I enjoy being engaged on campus because I see it as an opportunity to, first of all, relate with other people on campus and also grow, because in life, you're going to be meeting different people at different levels. So you have to know how to adjust yourself, and key, time management. For myself, because I know that soccer is almost continuous, almost every day, I specifically picked my course schedule around my soccer schedule and work schedule. So I reduced my writing center hours, I created a gap for homework between classes, and I try and take any opportunity to almost fill in with a bit of work. For example, if I'm on my way to my soccer game that's 3 hours away, I'll take a book with me. And also the Internships internship, what's even more exciting about it is that it's flexible. I have a task to do, and I can almost adjust this task around my academics and sport. It's truly, these variety of experiences on campus has helped me grow. Many people may say it's hard work, but it's training. It's training for the future, and I value it. It's also helped me as well to be somebody who's not rigid, but a rounded person. On the soccer field, I put on my teamwork hat, my team player hat. In the Internships field, I put on my leadership hat, leading by example. In the writing center, I put on my employee hat, ready to work and follow instructions and the right way to do things. And in the classroom, I put on my student hat, ready to learn. All in all, I'm enjoying my experience.